Exercise 5.2.
Next we move to fourth one. Simplify the following and express as a single power. Okay. A problem 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Students, you have to write a solution as a single power. Okay. Questions கொடுத்திருக்காங்க நம்ம எந்த ஃபார்மட்ல எழுதணும் சிங்கிள் பவர் நோட்டேஷன்ல எழுதணும் பாத்தீங்களா இது ஒரு பவர் நோட்டேஷன் இது ஒரு பவர் நோட்டேஷன் ரெண்டு பவர் நோட்டேஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க we want to write as a single power notation. Okay. See the solution 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 equal to. Okay. Use the exponent x power a into y power a equal to x into y the whole power a. Isn't it? Base is the different. Base are the different. Base are the different. 2 and 3. Isn't it? 4 is the exponent value. So exponent is the same. Base are different but exponent value is the same. What for? X power a into y power a equal to x into y the whole power a. Use the law. How to write? 2 into 3 the whole power 4. Isn't it? 2 and 3 are different values. 2 and 3 are the base values. 4 is the same exponent. Okay, it is a one exponent value. So you multiply only base value. 2 into 3 the whole power 4. 2 into 3 what mom? 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 power 4. 6 power 4 is the answer for the given problem. அதாவது ரெண்டு எக்ஸ்பொனன்ட் வேல்யூ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க ஒரே ஒரு பவர் நோட்டேஷனை நம்ம டினோட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ எந்த லா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா இங்க பவர் ரெண்டும் சேம் பட் பேஸ் ரெண்டும் டிஃபரண்ட். அப்ப இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். சரிங்களா? இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணா 2 3s are 6 6 power 4. ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் B question 3 power minus 6 divided by 7 power minus 6. Okay. Minus 6 is the base value. So base is the same value. 3 and 7 are 3 power minus 6 divided by 7 power minus 6. Minus 6 is the exponent value which is the same value. Isn't it? 3 and 7 are base values which are different, you know, with division symbol. Which law applied? X power a divided by y power a. Here a is the exponent value which is the same value which is equal to x power a divided by y power a equal to x divided by y the whole power a. Okay. Use the law 3 power minus 6 divided by 7 power 6. How to write? 3 power minus 6 divided by why you take divided by 1? Division symbol. So divided by 7 power 6. Isn't it? Next combine the 3 power minus 6 divided by 7 power minus 6. Next use the law of exponent x divided by y the whole power eva. So exponent value are the same. So combine the two values. 3 divided by 7 the whole power minus 6. Isn't it? 3 divided by 7 the whole power minus 6. Correct? புரிஞ்சுதா எப்படின்ட்டு? அதாவது ரெண்டு வேல்யூ கொடுத்து ஒரே சிங்கிள் பவர் நோட்டேஷன்ல கொடுக்க சொன்னாங்கன்னா பேஸ் வேல்யூ டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கா இல்ல எக்ஸ்பொனன்ட் வேல்யூ டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கா அப்படிங்கறத செக் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் போடணும். C problem minus 2 divided by 5 the whole power minus 3 into minus 3 by 4 the whole power minus 3. We want a solution as a single power. Isn't it? Move to solution. Minus 2 divided by 5 the whole power minus 3 into minus 3 divided by 4 the whole power minus 3. Okay. Use the law of exponents. X power a into y power a equal to x into y the whole power a. The a is the base. Here a is the exponent value which is the same. Here minus 3 is the exponent value which is the same. Minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4 are the base value which are different. Okay va? Base value different இருக்கு exponent value same இருந்துச்சுனா இந்த law என்ன பண்ணனும் யூஸ் பண்ணனும். So minus 2 divided by 5 into 3 by 4 exponent value is what ma? Minus 3. Okay. You multiply the numerator and denominator. You multiply the numerator means minus 2 into 3 minus 6 divided by 5 into 4 20 the whole power minus 3. Isn't it? To minus 2 into 3 minus 6 divided by 5 4s are 20 the whole power minus 3. Next D question a cube divided by b cube. Okay, a cube divided by b cube. Use the formula. Which formula use ma? Here 3 is the exponent value. Here 3 is the exponent value. Two values are same. But a and b are the base value. Two values are different. Which law is used ma? X power a divided by y power a equal to x by y the whole power a. Use the law. Okay, use the exponent of law. Applying this one, a cube divided by b cube means a cube divided by b cube equal to a divided by b the whole cube. Okay, a divided by b the whole cube. ஆயிரக்கலாமா? அதாவது exponent value same இருந்து base value different இருந்துச்சுன்னா exponent value same மட்டும் போட்டா போதும். இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி நார்மலா என்ன பண்ணுங்க டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனா இருந்தாலும் அதேதான், டிவிஷனா இருந்தாலும் அதேதான். அதாவது நீங்க இந்த எக்ஸ்போனன்ட் வேல்யூ நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். எக்ஸ்போனன்ட் வேல்யூல எக்ஸ்போனன்ட் வேல்யூ சேமா இருந்தா ஒரு டைப் வரும். அதே வந்து எக்ஸ்போனன்ட் வேல்யூ டிஃபரண்டா இருந்தா ஒரு டைப் வரும். Question 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 4 the whole power 4. Students, we want to write a solution as a single power. Okay, see the problem. 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 4 the whole power 4. Okay, first fraction is 1 by 2. Second is the exponent value. So 1 by 4 the whole power 4. See the denominator here 2, here 4, isn't it? So we want to convert 4 into 2. Okay, we want to convert 4 into 2. How to convert more? See the solution. Solution 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 the whole power 4. This 4 we have to write in the term of 2. How to write? 2 2s are 4, isn't it? So 1 by 2 into this 1 by 4 we have to write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, we get the answer is 4, isn't it? So 4 equal to 2 into 2. In the power value is 4. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 the whole power 4. Next, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. How many times repeated? 2 times repeated. So 1 by 2 the whole square the whole power 4. Next, how to write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. How many times? 2 times. 1 by 2. To J problem, 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2 into 3 power 0 the whole power 5. Students, we want to write a solution as a single power. You know, by using the law of exponents, we move to solution. 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2 into 3 power 0 the whole power 5. By using the law of exponent, x power 0 equal to 1, isn't it? Anything power 0 equal to 1. Anything power 0 equal to 1. We apply the in the given formula. How to write? 1 divided by 2 the whole power minus 2 into here 3 power 0 equal to 1. Anything power 0 equal to value 1. So 1 the whole power 5, isn't it? Next step, 1 divided by 2 the whole power minus 2 into 1 power 5 what more? 1 power 1000, 1 power 100, 1 power anything, we get the answer is 1. Very clear? So 1 by 2 the whole power minus into 1 what more? We will get the answer 1 divided by 2 the whole power minus 2. This is enough for you. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா இத क्वेश्चन நம்ம சிங்கிள் பவர் நோட்டேஷன்ல எழுதணும். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படினா இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஏன் இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் 3 பவர் 0 கொடுத்ததனால எனிதிங் பவர் 0 கொடுத்தா வேல்யூ என்ன 1 தான். சோ 1 பவர் 5 போட்டா என்னதான் வேல்யூ 1 தான். 1 ஓட என்ன நம்பர் மல்டிபிள் பண்ணாலும் அதே நம்பர் தான். சோ 1 divided by 2 the whole power minus 2 is the answer for the given problem. Are you clear? Students, next we move to fifth question. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. We want to write each of the following in exponential form. See A question, 2 cube the whole power 6 into 9 power 3 divided by 4 squared into 27. Okay. In this format, fraction format, that have numerator and denominator. Okay, next we move to solution. The solution have 3 steps. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. Step 1 have numerator solution. Step 1 have numerator solution. To find denominator solution in step 3 combine step 1 solution and step 2 solution. Finally we will get answer for the given problem. ஒரு கிளோமா அதாவது A क्वेश्चन கொடுத்திருக்காங்க நியூமரேட்டர் தனியா ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் டினாமினேட்டர் தனியா ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் ஸ்டெப் 3 ல ரெண்டையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி போட்டோம்னா ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் we move to solution see step 1 take numerator only 2 power 3 the whole power 6 into 9 power 3 isn't it here 3 the whole power 6 use the law of exponents which law used x power a the whole power b equal to x power ab isn't it use the law of exponent x power a the whole power b equal to x power ab here 2 power 3 the whole power 6 how to write ma 2 power 3 into 6 into 9 we want to write here exponent form of 3 we want to write exponent form of 3 how to write 9 equal to 3 into 3 3 3s are 9 so we replace the 9 by 3 into 3 so in the right hand side 2 power 3 power 3 into 6 into 3 into 3 the whole cube okay next step 2 power 3 6 are 18 into 3 into 3 how 2 times occur so 3 square the whole power 3 isn't it 2 power 18 into again use the law of exponent x power a the whole power b equal to x power ab so 3 square the whole power 3 means 3 power 2 into 3 3 power 2 into 3 next step 2 power 18 into 3 power 6 2 power 18 into 3 power 6 this is the step 1 step 1 ல என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படினா நியூமரேட்டர் எழுதிட்டு இங்க பவர்ஸ் மேல பவர் வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும் பவர்ஸ் ரெண்டையும் மல்டிபிள் பண்ணனும் into 9 in terms of 3 ல எழுதுறோம் ஓகேங்களா பவர் நோட்டேஷன் ஆஃப் 3 ல எழுதும்போது 3 into 3 னு எழுதுவோம் so 3 into 3 என்ன ஆகும் 3 ஸ்கொயர் again use the law of exponent யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது 3 power 2 into 3 உனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் 3 power 6 கிடைக்கும் so step 1 ஆன்சர் என்ன 2 power 18 into 3 power 6 next step 2 write denominator value what's the denominator value ma 4 squared into Next step 3, write the question. 2 power 3 the whole power 6 into 9 power 3 divided by 4 squared into 27. Okay. What's the numerator answer ma? See the step 1. 2 power 18 into 3 power 6 divided by, what's the denominator answer? 2 power 4 into 3 power 3. Divided by 2 power 4 into 3 power 3. Next we want to simplify the solution by using the law of exponent. X power a divided by x power b equal to x a minus b. Okay. See the numerator value here 2, here also 2 base value. Here 3, here also base value 3. So combine the numerator and denominator. Here also combine the numerator and denominator. Okay. Next step. 2 power 18 divided by 2 power 4 into 3 power 6 divided by 3 power 3. Next we use law of exponent. X power a divided by x power b equal to x power a minus b. Base values are same, but exponent values are different. With division symbol means what you write ma? Subtract the power values. So write 2 power 18 minus 4 into base values what ma? 3. What's the power value? 6 minus 3, isn't it? அதாவது இங்க 2 power 18 இருக்கு, 2 power 4 இருக்கு. நம்ம பவர்ஸ் வேல்யூ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுவோம். 18 minus 4 into base value same. இங்க பவர்ஸ் வந்து டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கு. சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுவோம். 6 minus 3. Next step. 2 power 18 minus 4 what ma? 14. 2 power 14 into 3 power 6 minus 3 equal 3 power 6 minus 3 equal to 3. This is the answer for the given problem. Question என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு numerator தனியா denominator தனியா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. நாம step 1 step 2 step 3 solution போடணும். இதுல step 1 பார்த்தா numerator solution கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். step 2 ல denominator solution கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். step 3 ல numerator solution denominator solution ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்து combine பண்ணி ஃபைனலா ஒரு ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா? To B problem, 35 into 7 cube divided by 5 squared into 343. So, students, we want to write a solution in exponential form. We move to solution. Step 1, write numerator value only. 35 into 7 power 3. You read 7 cube. 35 into 7 cube. In this 35, you have to convert in the form of exponential form of 7. ஓகேங்களா? 35 நாம in terms of 7 ல எழுதுனா எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 5 into 7. 5 7s are 35. So 5 into 7 into 7 cube. Okay. Here, what's the power value of 7? Here 1. So combine the 7 power 1 into 7 power 3. By using the law of exponents, base value are same, but exponent value are different. With multiplication symbol means you add the power values. So 7 power 1 plus 3. 7 power 1 plus 3. How to write ma? 5 into 7 power 4. 5 into 7 power 4. 2 5 squared into 343. Okay, 343. See the step 2 343. Here 343 by prime factorization method divided by 7. 4 28, remainder 6, 9 7s are 63. Again you divide the number 7, use 7th table, 7 7s are 49, 1 7s are 7. Here how many times 7 repeated? 1, 2, 3 times repeated. So 7 into 7 into 7. 343, you replace the value by 7 into 7 into 7. So here also power 1, here also power 1, here also power 1. 5 squared into 7 cube. This is the answer for the denominator value. Step 1, step 2 complete பண்ணியாச்சு. Step 1 ல 35 in terms of 7 க்கு மாத்தும்போது 5 7s are அப்படினு சொல்லி எழுதுவோம். இந்த ரெண்டு பவரையும் combine பண்ணனும்னா 7 power 4 கிடைக்கும். 4. Step 2 ஓட ஆன்சர் என்னப்பா? 5 squared into 7 cube. Okay. To step 3, write given problem. 35 into 7 cube divided by 5 squared into 343. Okay. Write the numerator solution. See step 1, 5 into 7 power 4 divided by, write the solution of step 2, that is the denominator solution, 5 squared into 7 cube. Okay. So 5 power 1 divided by 5 squared into 7 power 4 divided by 7 cube. Okay, 5 power 1 divided by 5 squared into 7 power 4 divided by 7 cube. Use the law of exponent. X power a divided by x power b equal to x power a minus b. See, 5 power 1 minus 2 into 7 power 4 minus 3. 5 power 1 minus 2 equal to what ma? 5 power minus 1 into 7 power 4 minus 3 equal to what ma? 7 power 1. Again use the law of exponent. X power minus a equal to 1 divided by x power a. Applying this one, 5 power minus 1. Next step, 1 divided by 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. Next step, 1 divided by 5 into 7. 1 divided by 5 into 7, how to write ma? 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5. This is the answer for the given problem. ಈ question கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. numerator value denominator value நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? தனித்தனியா answers கண்டுபிடிச்சு step 3 combine பண்ணி by using the law of exponents use பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? solution கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இங்க நம்ம ஏன் இந்த step எழுதிருக்கோம் அப்படினா இங்க base value 5, இங்க base value 5. இங்க base value 7, இங்க base value 7. So but different power values but different exponent values. Okay. So they use the law of exponent. X power a divided by x power b equal to x power a minus b.